Angazi guys ukuthi yini ke ebukhuni kukwenza ukuthi nje aphumele obalatshela umndeni wakhe ukuthi yena akamthandi Nomalanga kodwa uthanda uSibongile kunokuthi ke enze lezi zinto lezi azenzayo. Bathi ngelanga lomshado kwenza uzovela nyamalale before athi nje ayiduku Nomalanga uzovela nyamalale angaziwa ukuthi uyephi wonke umuntu ke afunane naye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 22nd to the 24th of January 2024 on Monday, trying to get Pheteni off his scent and reignite their love. Njengaye gift Pheteni with a new car, King Nomfundo who is baying for blood on Tuesday. It's the day before Kwenzo's wedding and Sibongile wishes him well, but he tells her that he isn't looking forward to it. Just when Nelsiwe and Tulisile decide to pump the brakes on the side hustle, Pheteni bust them with an indisputable evidence on Wednesday. Kwenzo does the unthinkable minutes before saying I do to Nomalanga. Nelisiwe is punished by Pheteni and then she realizes the love of her life for Kwenzo, but this only leaves Kwenzo baffled. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.